Do your pet's ears look like this?
You're going to want to listen up. It's so normal for floppy-eared dogs to get wax buildup in their ears, but don't worry, you're not a horrible pet parent. I usually like to try Amazon's overall picks, so I went with Oxyfresh, and I love it. It's a really gentle cleanser that breaks up the wax, and it has drying agents, so it leaves Luco's ears clean and dry. There's no alcohol, no stinging, plus it has aloe and chamomile, so it soothes sensitive ear skin. He loves it. I promise your dog will probably love it too. So if you're looking for an all-around awesome ear cleaner, you're going to love Oxyfresh.
Make sure to subscribe for more.